Python, an interpreted programming language with such popularity that in the Stack Overflow developer survey, this language claimed as one of the top 5 most loved programming language and most wanted programming language. A great job opportunity are there for Python. We will cover all information about Python in this video, so stay tuned. So before we start, please like this video and subscribe to the channel, and to get more videos like this, press the bell icon to get all the notifications. So let's start. Let's talk about what is Python. Python is an open source, high level interpreted programming language. It is used in web development, app development, GUI applications, machine learning, AI, and many more. This language is mostly written in C programming language. The reason why is it so popular is the simplicity of Python. Python is so simple and easy to learn. This is a human readable language which can easily be understood by a human. Many companies love to use this language. Some are Google, Instagram, Spotify, Netflix, Facebook, YouTube, PayPal, Intel, IBM, and many more. And even NASA too is the company that uses Python. Let's talk about its brief history. Python was introduced in February 20, 1991. It was designed by Guido van Rossum, who was a Dutch programmer. Python was first conceived in 1980. When he was implementing Python, he was reading a script from Monty Python's Flying Circus, which was a BBC comedy series from 1970s. So he decided to call the language as Python. Let's talk about the reason for using Python. First reason, Python is very simple and easy to use, as I have said earlier, and it can be understood by a person who don't code. Let's take an example. Let's say you want to print hello world. This is the code we use to print hello world in C#. This is the code we use to print in Java, and this is the code we use to print in Python. Look how simple is Python. With just 2 lines we have printed hello world. Second reason is Python is an interpreted language. Python is processed in code running time by an interpreter that makes this language different from other languages. Other languages like C++, Java have to compile before run. Let's talk about availability. Python is an open source programming language which is available on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So you don't have to worry about availability of Python. So thank you for watching. Stay home, stay safe, and I will welcome you in the next video.